Now we will study how phenols prepare. Okay. So preparation of phenols. Okay. Preparation of phenol. First, from chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene. Okay. This is chlorobenzene. Okay. And on drastic condition, we will take NaOH or KOH at 300 atm, and 623 Kelvin temperature. Okay. Chlorobenzene react with NaOH at 300 atm and 623 Kelvin temperature. It will form sodium phenoxide. Okay. Sodium phenoxide. Okay. And after that, upon acid hydrolysis, it will convert it into phenol. Okay. On acid hydrolysis, we will get phenol. Okay. So from chlorobenzene. Second method is from benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene sulfonic acid. Okay. From benzene sulfonic acid. So first we will prepare benzene sulfonic acid from benzene. Okay. This is benzene plus H2S2O7. This is oleum. Okay. Oleum or super concentrated sulfuric acid. Okay. When we provide sulfur trioxide gas in concentrated sulfuric acid, so we will get oleum. Okay. SO3H. Okay. This is benzene sulfonic acid. Okay. When we treat benzene sulfonic acid with NaOH or KOH, so we will get sodium phenoxide. Okay. This is sodium phenoxide. Again, same method followed by acid hydrolysis, we will get phenol. Okay. By this way, we can prepare phenol. Okay. Next is, third method is from diazonium salt. Okay. From diazonium salt. Okay. Third method is from diazonium salts. Okay. First we will prepare diazonium salt from aniline, because diazonium salt are least stable, so we have to prepare diazonium salt at situation. Okay. At the time of use, plus HCl. Sodium nitrite react with HCl. Okay. So we will get diazonium chloride. Okay. After treating with water, okay, this reaction is conducted at 0 to 4 degrees centigrade. Okay. 0 to 4 degrees centigrade. And when we take this container of sodium diazonium salt from the ice bath, out of the ice bath, so and we mix some water, so we will get phenol. Okay. We will get phenol plus nitrogen gas. Okay. So this method is also suitable for preparation of phenol. Okay. And fourth, from cumene. Okay. From cumene. Okay, this is commercial or manufacturing method. Okay, this is commercial method. Commercial method. Okay, this is commercial method from cumene. Okay, CH3, CH3. This is cumene. Okay, this is cumene. When we treat cumene in the presence of catalyst, okay, we provide oxygen, so cumene will get oxygenated. Okay, and after that we will get CH3COOH cumene peroxide. Okay, cumene, yeah, or hydroxocumene. Okay, and upon heating it will dissociate it in this way. Okay, इस तरह से ये dissociate होगा. So we will get phenol and CH3COCH3. Okay, propane as byproduct. So that's why by this method we will get both the important or precious compounds, phenol and propane. Okay, so sorry, phenol and acetone. Okay, propanone. So this is commercial method. Okay, next topic is properties of phenol and alcohols. Okay, properties of alcohols and phenols. Okay, properties of alcohols and phenols. Okay, alcohols and phenols की properties. Okay, first physical properties. Okay, physical properties में first melting point and boiling point. Okay, remember their structure ROH, AROH. Okay, in both the cases we have polar hydrogen. Why? Because oxygen is electronegative atom, so it will attract the shared pair of electron towards itself. That's why polarity developed. Okay, so being a polar hydrogen, it will bonded with other molecules oxygen atom. Okay, by hydrogen bonding. This is hydrogen bonding. Okay, hydrogen bonding. Okay, same for phenols. This is phenol. So this edge again bonded with other molecule. Okay, so by this way they are connected strongly to each other. So their melting point and boiling point is high. Clear? Next, for both the compounds, alcohols and phenol have high melting and boiling point. Okay. Second, solubility. Okay. First, in organic solvents. Okay. Though they are covalent compounds or organic or covalent compound or carbon compounds. Okay. So they are soluble in organic solvent. Okay. ये organic solvent और non-polar solvents में dissolve होते हैं. Okay. Organic solvent, carbon tetrachloride, carbon disulfide, ethers, like that. and second in water. Solubility in water. Okay? Because they have a tendency to form hydrogen bond. So water is also capable to form hydrogen bond. Okay? So alcohol is soluble. Alcohol is soluble in water because any substance which will form hydrogen bond to water is water soluble. Okay? And alcohol, phenol is also capable to form hydrogen bond with water. Okay? So both are soluble in water. But as soon as alkyl group increases or bulkier, their solubility gradually decreases. Okay? जैसे जैसे non-polar hydrophobic part, R is non-polar and hydrophobic. Okay? So heading towards water. So जैसे जैसे आप अल्काइल ग्रुप बढ़ाते जाएंगे, बल्कि होता जाएगा, वैसे वैसे उसकी solubility decrease होती जाएगी वाटर में. Okay? B is the chemical properties of alcohols and phenols. Okay. First, alcohols act as both electrophile as well as nucleophile. Okay. So, alcohol act as nucleophile. Okay. How? It will act as nucleophile. Okay. ROH. Alcohols, oxygen having two lone pair of electrons. Okay. When it react with some electron deficient species. Okay. So, it will act as nucleophile. Okay. ये nucleus loving species बन गया है. Okay. And it react with this electrophile and form a intermediate compound. Okay. Okay. So in this case, alcohol act as nucleophile, nucleus loving. Okay. Second, alcohols act as electrophile. Okay. In some reactions, alcohols act as electrophile. Alcohols in the form of protonated. Protonated. What does it mean? Protonated alcohol means alcohols when attached with a proton, it will consider as protonated alcohol. Okay. ROH. This is protonated alcohol. Okay. This is protonated alcohol, and on giving condition. Okay. Suppose we will provide HX in presence of some reagent or driving substances. Okay. Like anhydrous aluminum chloride or metal, we will discuss. Or in Lucas test, zinc chloride anhydrous. Okay. So in presence of some reagent, this will dissociated in this manner. Okay. So R plus and minus. Okay. X attached with R plus H2O plus H plus. Okay. This part will dissociated as H2O. Okay. So in view of all the two reactions, we have seen that one reaction involving the cleavage of OH bond and second type of reaction involving the CO bond. This is the CO bond cleavage reactions and this is OH bond cleavage reactions. Okay, so we will categorize the reactions of alcohol and phenol in two ways. First, cleavage of OH bond, and second is cleavage of CO bond. Okay, so first we will study cleavage of OH bond. Okay, cleavage of OH bond. In alcohols and phenols, OH bond always produces H plus ion. Okay, so we already know that which substance releases H plus ion, it means it acts as acid. Okay, so cleavage involving reactions involving cleavage of OH bond. Okay, again it will having three type of reactions. First, acidic nature of alcohols and phenols. Acidic nature of alcohols and phenols. Okay, so CH3OH plus Na, it will produce CH3O Na plus H2. Clear? You can take any other alcohol. Suppose we take tertiary alcohol. Okay, when it react with aluminum or sodium or reactive metal, even calcium also. Okay, so all the reactive metals react with alcohol and produces hydrogen gas. Okay, hydrogen gas. So aluminum. Okay, same for phenol also. Phenol is also react with sodium or reactive metal or alkali metals, and it will produces sodium phenoxide. Okay, this part is called alkoxide, RO, alkoxide, and this is phenoxide. This part is known as phenoxide and this part is alkoxide, RO, alkoxide, ARO, phenoxide. Okay, benzene ring. AR means benzene ring. Okay, so by this way we can understand that alcohols and phenols are acidic in nature. Okay, some reactions are also shows the acidic nature of phenol. Okay, how? When we react, especially for phenols, not alcohols, when phenol react with Na2CO3, so it will produce sodium phenoxide. Okay, sodium phenoxide, and carbon dioxide gas is also liberated in this case. Okay, so this is the acidic character of alcohols and phenols. Okay, alcohols are, if we provide a strong base to alcohol or phenol, okay, how they react? Suppose we will take a base. Okay, I represent base as B plus alcohol. Okay, alcohol, H plus ion shifted to base, and we will get BH plus RO negative. Okay, RO negative. Alkoxide ion, base, this is base. Okay, so in 11th class you studied Bronsted-Lowry concept, okay, of acid and base. So this is base, and when any base gains proton from other substances, so proton giving substance is considered as acid, okay, acid. After gaining proton, it becomes acid, okay, but this acid is arise from this base, so this is conjugate acid, conjugate acid, okay. And after donating proton, alcohols becomes alkoxide. It means this species is capable to accept H plus ion, okay. It means this species act as base, okay, but it developed or it created by the this acid, so this is conjugate base, conjugate base, okay. So this species is generated by this acid, तो ये इसका conjugate base हुआ, okay. In this reaction, you have clearly seen that this acid capable to donate H plus ion, not this acid. It means this is strong acid, okay. This is strong acid. So always strong acid having their weak conjugate base, okay. ये strong acid है तो इसका conjugate base weak होगा. ये weak है तभी ये इससे H नहीं ले पाया. यदि strong base होता तो ये proton लेता, okay. And same here, this is strong base, strong base है इसलिए इसने प्रोटॉन एक्सेप्ट किया, तो अब ये नहीं दे पा रहा है, दैट्स व्हाई इट इज वीक एसिड, ओके. सो अल्कोहल्स आर एसिडिक इन नेचर, you can see again by this method, okay. You have seen with reaction with alkali metals and even reaction with base also shows that the alcohols are acidic in nature, okay. Next is acidic nature of alcohols, okay. Sorry, acidity of alcohols. Second है acidity of alcohols. Acidity of alcohols, okay. So we will compare the acidity of alcohol, okay. We have HOH. This is methanol, okay. This is methanol, okay. This is ethanol. Ethanol, or we can write R in place of methyl, we can consider R, okay. So this is primary alcohol. Why? Because OH containing carbon is primary carbon atom due to the presence of only one single alkyl group, okay. Alcohol. This is secondary alcohol. This is secondary alcohol, and third one is tertiary alcohol, okay. Now we will compare the acidic character of all the type of alcohols, okay. So we know that alkyl group is electron providing group, or they have plus I effect. Plus I effect, electron pushing, electron pumping nature, okay. Secondary alcohols having two electron pushing group, okay. And here 3 electron providing group, okay. So alkyl group being plus I, having plus I effect, they push electron density towards carbon atom. Okay, here this hydrogen is polar, but the density of oxygen is higher in this case as compared to this, because this oxygen get electron density from backside also. Okay, so this oxygen is not wholly dependent on the hydrogen atom. Okay, it gains energy, electrons from backside also. So the polarity of this bond is less as compared to this bond. Okay, here 2 plus I effect group attached with this carbon atom, and all the density is provided to oxygen atom. So polarity of OH bond is less than primary alcohol, and same for tertiary alcohol. The polarity of OH bond in tertiary alcohol is very less. So जितना भी पोलर बॉन्ड होता है उतनी जल्दी डिसोशिएट होता है. Okay, so due to the least polarity in tertiary alcohols, it is not easily release the proton. Okay, so the acidic nature of tertiary alcohol is very less. Okay, so what will order we get? Methanol CH3COH is highly acidic, then primary, then secondary and tertiary. Okay, सबसे कम acidic tertiary alcohols होंगे. Okay, so due to the presence of alkyl group or electron pumping group. Okay, now we will compare the acidic character of alcohols with water. Okay, alcohols versus water. Okay, alcohol versus water. So ROH, when releases its H plus ion, so it will form, this is the base. Okay, this is base. When we react this base with water, okay, when this base react with water, we will get ROH plus OH negative. Okay, base when react with water, alkoxide, this is alkoxide ion when react with water, so H plus ion or proton is released by water molecule, so it acts as acid. Okay, it acts as acid. So we will get the base, conjugate base of water. Okay, conjugate base of water, and alkoxide or base having conjugate acid. Conjugate acid. Okay, by this reaction we clearly see that water is highly acidic than alcohol. Water is highly acidic than alcohol. क्यों? क्योंकि इस एसिड ने H नहीं डोनेट किया, इसका मतलब ये वीक है. सो वीक. This is strong. Okay, again I will explain that when alkoxide ion is the base, react with water, it will attract the H plus ion, or water will give proton to alkoxide ion. Okay, so we will get alcohol. Alcohol is acid. Okay, so this is conjugate acid. If conjugate acid donates electron to conjugate base, it means it acts as strong acid, but it can't do this. It means this is a weak acid. So conclusion is that primary, secondary and tertiary, ये तो था H2O is more acidic than alcohol. Okay. Second point arises after seeing this reaction, water is more acidic than alcohols. Okay. Next, acidity of phenols. Okay, acidic nature of phenols. Acidity of phenols. Phenol. This is phenol. Okay, and this bond is also polar in nature due to the electronegativity difference of O and H. Okay. When we provide condition, it loses its H plus ion and acts as an acid. Okay. So, if it loses H plus ion, it becomes alkoxide, phenoxide ion. Okay, we will get phenoxide ion. This is phenoxide ion. Okay, and in basic classes, or when was I teach basic concepts of organic chemistry. So, if you remember that plus I and minus R effect, plus R and minus R effect, resonance effect or mesomeric effect. Okay, so phenoxide ion shows plus R effect. It means its lone pair attracted by benzene ring or nucleus, and it becomes like this. Okay. Next, the resonance happen, and by resonance this bond shifted to that carbon atom and it becomes negatively charged and new bond formation is there. Okay. Next resonating structure is this bond shifted to that carbon atom. Okay, and new bond form. And we will get negative charge on that carbon atom. Okay, again, after this, sorry, here double bond is formed. Okay, double bond. Okay, so this bond shifted towards oxygen and it becomes single bond in presence of in place of double bond. It again converted into single bond and we will get this structure. Okay, here resonance is happen, that is where was single bond, it becomes double bond. Okay, so by the resonance it is stabilized. कब स्टेबलाइज हुआ, कब रेजोनेंस हुआ, जब H को रिलीज किया. ओके, सो H प्लस रिलीज करने के बाद यदि रेजोनेंस मिल रहा है मींस स्टेबिलिटी मिल रही है, सो फिनॉल्स आर हाईली एसिडिक एज कंपेयर टू अल्कोहल्स. ओके, बिकॉज इन phenoxide ion, alkoxide ion is this and phenoxide ion is this. Okay, compare the acidic character. Okay, but phenoxide ion having resonance plus R effect, so it has 4 to 5 resonating structure, means higher stable. But in case of alkoxide ion, R having plus I effect, here plus R effect. Okay, so plus I effect provides the electron density to oxygen. So polarity of OH bond decreases. It means there is no resonance. Here resonance is found. So this ion is highly stable as compared to this. So ultimately we will get third concept that ROH is highly acidic than ROH. Phenols are highly acidic than alcohols. Okay. Next, the acidic character, acidity of substituted alcohols or phenols. Okay, substituted alcohols or phenols. Okay, this is alcohol. Okay, this is phenol. Okay, if any electron donating group means electron providing group. If any electron donating group attached with this or this carbon or anywhere of the carbon chain, okay, so it will reduces the acidic character of alcohol or phenol. इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेटिंग ग्रुप यदि अटैच होगा अल्कोहल में या फिनॉल में, उसकी एसिडिक स्ट्रेंथ तो कम होगी. क्लियर है? इन प्लेस ऑफ these are the examples of electron donating group. Okay, if any electron gaining group, okay, or electron withdrawing group, we can write electron withdrawing group. Okay, electron withdrawing group or electron gaining group. Okay, so if electron withdrawing group is attached with alcohol, so it will withdraw the electron and the electron density of oxygen is reduces, so it will release hydrogen ion or proton more easily. Same for phenols. If electron withdrawing group attached with phenol or benzene ring, it will attract the electrons and the electron density on oxygen gradually decreases and it will release proton more easily. Okay, so electron withdrawing group increases acidic nature. Okay, and electron donating group decreases acidic nature of alcohols and phenols. Okay, electron withdrawing group acidic nature increase कर रहा है और इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेटिंग ग्रुप एसिडिक नेचर डिक्रीज करेगा. क्लियर? In case of phenol, electron withdrawing group predominates on the position of ortho and meta position, ortho and para position. Okay, remember ortho and para position पे यदि electron withdrawing group attach है, so it increases high acidic character as compared when it was attached with meta position. Okay, the next reaction involving cleavage of OH bond is esterification. Okay, esterification. Okay, esterification means formation of ester. Clear? So alcohol and phenol when react with carboxylic acid or acid chloride or acid anhydride. Okay, anhydride. Carboxyl acid RCOOH. Okay, acid chloride RCOCl. Okay, and acid anhydride RCO whole twice O. Okay, RCOH, RCOCl, RCO whole twice O. This is acid anhydride. When alcohol or phenol react with all any one of the listed compounds. So they will produce ester. Okay. So first ROH. We can take AR also. Okay, phenol. AROH or ROH plus. If we react alcohol with RCOOH acid, R-COH. Okay. In presence of acid, this is mineral acid. In presence of little amount of or a small amount of mineral acid like H2SO4 you can take. Okay. So AR/R. This part remains same. Okay, up to this part because we are studying the cleavage of OH bond. Okay, O H of alcohol react with OH of acid. Okay, so this part dissociated and attached to this alkoxide or phenoxide ion. So by this way we will get COR dash. Okay, COR dash. CH3 OH plus C2H5 OH. Okay, in presence of mineral acid, this is a reversible reaction. Okay, in presence of a small amount of mineral acid, they will react and form ester plus water. Okay, H and OH form water. Here H of alcohol react with OH of this is acid. CH3 OH plus C2H5 COOH. Okay, so OH of acid combined with H plus ion of alcohol. So they will form CH3O CO C2H5. CO C2H5 combined with CH3CO plus H2O. This is ester. Okay, ester. Same for alcohol also. But in case of alcohol, we will provide some drastic conditions. It requires some elevated temperature. Okay. Here, this is reversible reaction. From this method, we can't have good yield of ester. Okay. Second, we will take acid halide. Okay. So ROH plus. Here AR also you will write plus CH3COCl. Same process will happen in presence of mineral acid. Okay. So H of alcohol react with this halogen and form side product as HCl. Okay. So we will get ROCOCH3 ROCOCH3 plus HCl. Clear? HCl. But we can improve the yield by taking pyridine in place of acid. Okay. If we take pyridine is base. Okay. So yield will produce in good amount. Pyridine. Okay. In presence of acid, mineral acid, it is reversible reaction. But in presence of pyridine is base. Okay. This base react with HCl, side product of this reaction, that is HCl. This is acidic in nature, so it combines with HCl and removes from here. So this ester will produce in large amount. Clear? Next is the third option. We will take acid anhydride. Okay, acid anhydride also produces the ester. Okay, again we will take RCOOCOR. We can write acid anhydride in such manner also. This is also reversible process. Okay, so this bond break from here and H combined with this species and RCO attached with oxygen. Okay, so we will get RO R dash. Okay, ROCO R dash. Okay, ROCO R dash and plus RCOOH acid, carboxylic acid. Okay, RCOOR dash. ओके, इस तरह से आपने ईस्टर पढ़ा होगा, बट इसका स्ट्रक्चर इस तरह से भी होता है. ओके, सो दिस इज द एस्टरिफिकेशन. ओके, इफ RCO group, this is acyl group. Acyl group. RCO group is acyl group. If R is CH3, okay, so this group is acetyl. What does it name? Acetyl. Okay, R यदि CH3 है तो यही एसिड ग्रुप एसिटिल ग्रुप कहलाएगा. It means if any reaction having CH3CO group as addition group, so this reaction is called acetylation. Okay, so by acetylation we prepare aspirin, a medicine for headache. Okay, for treating the headache. Aspirin. So how will we prepare aspirin? By acetylation of salicylic acid. Okay, so salicylic acid is, this is salicylic acid. Okay, hydroxybenzoic acid, salicylic acid. When salicylic acid react with acid anhydride, CH3CO whole twice O. Okay, this is acid anhydride. This bond dissociated and we will get acetylation of salicylic acid. O COCH3 plus CH3COO as H as side product. Okay, this is aspirin. Aspirin, a medicine.